Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
My name is Gerald Irvin, and I will be the teacher and instructor today. Today's lesson is going to be talking about equivalent fractions. How many of you know what equivalent fractions are?
Those are fractions that I don't know.
Okay, since you don't know, then let me tell you. Alright? Equivalent fractions are fractions that name the same amount. It means that no matter how many numbers you have in there, you're going to actually add up to be the same amount. Alright? So what we'd like to do is start off discussing whole numbers using equivalent fractions. Alright? Get your pieces out. We can get ready to follow me as I instruct you on how we're going to work these problems out. Okay? Get you familiar with it. We're going to start off with a whole number. I'm going to draw up here. I want you to lay your pieces on. Okay? One. We know one, when we're dealing with numbers, is a whole number. Next, get your other piece out. As we draw in here, you'll see that even if I split it in half, one half, it takes two halves to make a whole number. Okay? Now you get your other piece. As we're coming together with that, we're going to kind of break it up so you can see how a whole number is still a whole number. If I break it up and say 1 over 6, 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 1, 2, 3, and it's 3 over 6. As you notice, we're still working with the whole number. Alright? Go ahead and get your other piece out. As I showed you before, we're going to using this particular piece, we're going to break it down again. Okay? Using 12. 1 over 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 12. And one more to go. 1 over 12. Which equals 6 over 12. Alright? As we break it down, we're showing you about the whole number. We're still calculating, we're going to the whole number. Looking at the examples here, we can still say that 1 half. Again, when we say 3 over 6, then we can say 6 over 12. Okay? All these are equivalent. They represent the same portion. Alright? So what we're going to do here, we're going to show you another way. Another way we have here is we're going to use multiplication. So you heard of multiplication fraction. We're going to use a little bit of multiplication. Use an example. We got 3 over 9 equals 3 over 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals, you say 2 over 2, always go out to equal what? Equals 1. Correct. Equals 1. So, here we go again. We'll say 3 over 9 times 2 over 2. So we'll go 3 times 2 equals 6. 9 times 2 equals 18. So, And it all equivalent to what? 6 over 18. Alright? Using another example. Using another example, we can say 4 over 10 equals 4 over 10 times what? 3 over 3. Which we know anytime we use 3 over 3, it represents what? 1. Okay? So then we can use this and we'll say it equals to 4 over 10 times 3 over 3 equals, then we'll multiply again. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Okay? 10 times 3 equals what?
30.
How much?
30.
All right. 30. So again, we look at this, it equivalent, everything equivalent to be 12 over 30. All right? And another way we can use equivalent fraction. Another way we can do it, we can try using division. Using the same format, doing a little like this. We'll say 7 divided by 28, or 7 over 28 equals 7 over 28 divided by, we go again, 7 over 7. Okay? So these are common fractions that we're using. So we say 7 divided by 7 is what? Equals what? 1. Okay. Then we say 7 divided by 28 equals what? 4. Very good. So your answer would be 1 over 4. All right? So now, what I like to do here is try another one and let you all work this out, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw some numbers here up on the board, and I want you all to work it out. Show me, I want you all to find the equivalent fractions for the following practice problems that we're going to be using, okay? Okay?
All right.
I don't want to be sitting here like I'm talking to myself, okay?
Okay.
All right. Amen. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to use, here's number 1, 7 over 8. What we need to do to find this problem?
Need to find the most common denominator.
Okay, what is it?
56.
What is it? So what we're going to do before, what did we do to show you the demonstration of the other problem? Remember, we showed this problem before. Something similar to it. So what we're going to do? Tell me what I need to do.
Make a whole number.
Okay.
7 over 7.
Equals. Okay, what you want me to do?
7 over 7.
Divided by 7 over 7.
7 over 8
Divided by 7 over 7.
divided by 7 over 7.
That ain't gonna work.
You sure that's going to work?
That's not gonna work.
Huh?
No.
No, it's not going to work. Okay, now what we going to do?
7 over 8.
7 over 8
Times 7 over 7.
times 7 over 7.
49 and 56.
49, 7 times 7 is what?
49.
8 times 7?
56.
Yeah, y'all act like y'all scared to talk. So, the number is what?
49, 56.
49 over 56. All right? So let's try another one. See if you got the hang of it. I didn't say hang over, but hang over. All right, we're going to try one more. Okay? We're going to say 2 over 3. What do you do here?
Multiply.
Times what?
2.
2 over 2 equals what? We're going to say, huh? What we're going to do, we're going to get the problem here. We're going to say 2 times
2 times 2 is 4.
4.
3 times 2 is 6.
3 times 2 is 6. And your answer is
4
over 6. Okay. So what I'd like to do now is have you to do one more problem, and then we're going to get into some examples that I want you all to do, okay? So D, how you doing?
Alright.
Alright. I'm going to do it one more, and then we're going to solve this up, and I'm going to give you some assignments to do, and you can turn them in at the end of the class, okay? One more time. Okay, what we're going to do is called finding the equivalent fraction for the following practice problem. We're going to be using division, okay? So we're going to say 8 over 14. What are we going to do?
Find the most common denominator.
Find the lowest common denominator.
Yeah.
All right.
It's 2.
It's 2. How are we going to do it then? How are we going to find it?
8.
8 over 14 is divided by 2 over 2.
Okay. 8 over 14 divided by 2 over 2. So therefore, what we're going to say?
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
8 divided by 2 equals 4.
14 divided by 2 is 7.
14 divided by 2 is 7. Very good. All right. One more. We'll try this one. 5 over 25. Now, what are we going to do here?
Lowest common
Find
Find the lowest common denominator by doing what?
Divide.
5.
Okay. Dividing 5 over 5 equals, we say we're going to do what?
5 divided by 5 is 1.
Okay.
25 divided by 5 is 5.
All right, there you go. Very good. And your answer would be 1/5 or 1 over 5. Okay? So what I like to do is hand you all some problems that I want you to solve. We're going to find the equivalent of the following numbers. You can use either division or multiplication. So you're going to have at least 6 problems, and at the end of the class, I'll be collecting your assignment. All right?
Alright.
Thank you. Here you go.
Good job, Dee. You're very